found GCN page so meeting at the Adjoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some yabe on the so, obey a notification. Video be a share. Honorable Ayipe, a former MP, and I okase. Nani sema okay, nani say. Ghana ha, how are you see a young politics no, a time. Now the honorable can say nani say. Say, party A, eba power. 4 years to 8 years, na ye tuomo, na party biaba. 4 years to 8 years, na ye tuomo. Enya dia eshim crime. Se eba ne sadia, ene Ghana ye betina house nya, se ne de bia ye complaining. Youth ne enye dwuma enye, light seme enye, ya kwan seme enye, ye ni hospital bills na de ade no. Ye be koso ya complaining senya because party eba na se ye man 4 years to 8 years time no enye enough obetumi de ayendwuma bebre sa so ena party biba na se ye mo 4 years to 8 years time no eno so enye enough obetumi de ayendwuma bebre enti se Ghana ye pese Ghana fo ye pese Ghana e develop dia ye ntena se na ye realize ye mistakes na ye ntena se ye hu se party eba ye be mo 30 years to 32 years. Send a bear on betina swa in your time, Eddie Ayama Bebre, Samson a party biba, ye bear almost sa. Nanisem came and a oche say, a beyanka, Ghana for Yentwa by Emma MPP Amayoku, no montina swa, bear 40 years, and 50 years, 60 years, no moon fees, not just almost a swa. Send a bear on betimi, a to Juma Bebre, Ewa Memu, Ebanisa, Ghana bed developing, I say, a mine. Kodu bebre so because Ghana your resources bebre ye will gold ye will timber ye will diamond ye will cocoa inti adan e na Ghana ye develop da o chere se ni na short time na dey my president and I say party na eba abem no inti kebe ya ye ma na MPP fo ntina so na chere se NDC fo e wo position na omo criticize the MPP fo no se ne be ya omo be kikomo no na omo ayemputu dwuma e wo memu na youth ne so ye ho atoye na sika bo memu na chese Ghana fo so ye ni age na eba ne se MPP ba 8 years na ye tu omo na NDC aba 8 years na ye tu omo eba ne se Ghana ye betena sesenya de bi e be complain senya nya bia ye be koye ni bida enti honorable Ayipe chese be ya ka Ghana fo ye nto aba ma MPP amayoku no anase ye ma na MPP fo ntina so a be ye 30 years 40 years 50 60 years na se omo te so a na ndisi for mbeti ase ni enya do mbeti ase na nyi chese omo ti ase kra ye ma na MPP for ntina ase 30 to 40 years na ndisi for mbeye den nya do mbeti ase kra enti na honorable Ayipe chese Ghana ye ne sanka ebeboa yankasa na yeti ensema honorable de etudwa
be ye adwuma hu ni se anka ye change of government anka ye ni acting ministers bia ho na akofa hawaba nti one political party say MPP obiya jetum se si ebeso omani mu economy no tumi gina ne nanso niema tumi koyiye ye tumi hye economy no ema sikasem nyina atutuye no anka sa political party bi say MPP ni ya ma ne kwan no we rule be 30 years nanka 32 years nanka yetumi ahwe na Ghana afa nentamapa e de afura. Okay. And yes, I'm advocating for one party state. The opposition will still be there and criticize. But Yema Kwana and MPP. We just say, Sa Ada is in Bebem. Na Ebema, Memu Keke. I was here to 2 years near me. I was saying, near me be a ye ye. As I see, I'm qua, and I'm so man qua any as I see so.
Yeah.
But he is a one man, no queen Jackona, also, Untradu. Then they see why you say, Yakob primaries. Well, Lucy primaries, we say, some Lucy primaries, they are also being winning general elections in the action. One party. And then when we say you seat vote over parliament, here the Aquag and Nima, how am I? And now you saw on Quanas, I don't know, course. Seven Wako primaries. That's a primaries, you know. Maybe we need the announce general elections. And I wear DC, your mama and elections. See, the other Abba say. Me DC be on contesting government MP.
Yeah.
Okay, so the any be MPs ni be kwa me ahwe. You see, eno any. Na se person ye break his 8 years in dia. I was say sad ni ye pegu. Na fe mesre menuanom MPs no, and the parliamentary candidates na wonye MPs wo call ko na won adi nkugu ni say, won puemra. Masa, ebi adi nkugu and emra ne party wo opposition no. Ono kura wewu na wodi wutia yeye wadi nkungu wa mra wo party wa bam puebra judgment ri amawie obia mra ni enkasa ma party no enoma na na do danko Akufo-Addo from 2017 bepem samiri waye no wo mra ni emahu dawuru ni enchechire na do danko Akufo-Addo government no mu ye cheche mu na Ghana fu nyina ante ase na political party de say aba na aba power anyway nya appointment bia next time eba power obenya ba bia hye ye doso na Akufo-Addo wontumi ma obia appointment but your bwane ye the next time no na wonso benya ba bi ahye inti men kase we lose elections inti wotina fie ye mra na ye ba chiechiri mu na Akufo-Addo aban no entumi enyanyina so na ye hwe se sa 8 years itumi break na ye hwe ye ni nyina ni yehu but say na confusion na fie ase aye basa obi o se confusion aye basa say na ye work national communication director of a political party like NDC
no I heard it
party ni Ghana nyina no kasa ma party no and national temudi yawa speaker of parliament speaker
meba yebe wura se krata because me do ba be round but dan sana no election petition here also as a politician your lessons bia yebetime suya free way monso na yede aka de yesunya ye 2013
me election I dey say na fakasina be kwa mandis ye to yen haba no and before elections no my strong warning say obi answer in the collating center party ne de ansana election main one so na ye ya say pink sheets in ba yen scan on fast ye system scanning ya na ba national collating center we also pink sheets and hard copies no ye mamu 1 week obi afane dem ra nti ya this for work out nyina ye pink sheets ni nyina intact all the police stations across the country collecting resource sheets no ni nyina region ni nyina na then NDC for also will swim from next time no once one modern say one more pink sheets no it happened to them in 2016 this year so as the 2020 so about one na eno ye kan incompetent I want to ask say we going to me am quality resource got mo court and anka figure be kitama anka Supreme Court be ka kire manager mensa say this for the figure be aba what is one the resource in the same way a contradicting figure no it brabe gina box mu na be kire na ntia u figure no and this figure no enye the same. They couldn't do that. What's it? They are relying on the electoral commission figures and on the become myself. Electoral commission figures no so to be Nkrumah and Akufo-Addo your president.
Sabe ni ya kansa mfon. Ya kansa ma sabi nyansa nim Jimmy Kasa and ya de campaign 2024 Jimmy Kasa yan kan nyansa sem ya de afu ne ya beka say Jimmy mu sikani bra ne ya de ba nanti ana mukita nkrofo betima campaign mama nice yo NDC ekita nkrofo betima campaign mama nice but they need to be structured. Free education program and show James Timinya 47 no. Free education cutting across the nation. Ghana for so many. It is a Ghana open say uwini election. You must do better. Any propaganda. Mrs. Ghana. So Ghana, you are very careful. You will experience war one day. Shall you to baby? Opposition parties who are winning. Incumbent government and also were winning. And the choir, Obias who are winning. And ye court General Secretary of the opposition party. Ye busan is a percentage, say no munyae, Otimenka. Oshak, the way a court case in a corner, the way a man for common seminar. Just read between the lines. Ghana, ye safe. It's high time, say, ye cut it, Sanyamano. Near make sure, say, Ghana, no, and yan people, dear. Huh? And yan this is so dear. Yama, Yansuma political party in Murayan too much. Now, ye make sure, say, yan kasa. I had the bear campaign, and ye kasa. A hot. Ya to about ye. Samidan Fimuso Marini, President elect John Dramani Mahama. Yay! Obia Bosse, she educatia say President elect John Dramani Mahama, or checking or share no more parliamentarians it shows clear say omo candidate John Dramani Mahama is in the lead, is in the comfortable lead. Kire say omo na eba bebu oman no Tinanado Danko Akufo-Addo and concede defeat as soon as possible. Say bia na si wo Liberia ni omo ni tie no na mo je nyunu. Enti sa wo ya wadwene say bia wo do party bi too much. Etino asase na wote so e wo man Ghana no a 2024 na hwe ya emwa cause 2024 be a world a free time. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo wababa di obetwa ni 8 wabetwa ni 2 terms obetwa wie ija ba omia na ebo ana na any other person na ebo say JM na ebo say why na ebo that time no a crucial election but enya election I say ye ya say ye be ye niam bi be create ntokwa ye to aba na wie na say wo lusu na wo gidi tum say wo lusu na wo gitum na ya asomdwe a ka no say dachi bi no opportunity betimi asa ba ma wo party no enya ntokwa so ene Supreme Court ne da ho tie nsam ekoso ne de we nsam si edai ekeka nkese anifa say anya very careful 2024 Ghana a rough 2024 omana ntokwasi so Liberia, Sierra Leone, Angola, Burundi no sa oman man ni nyina no so no Liberia, Sierra Leone, Angola, Kenya, an African country. South